Alright, our rice has now come to a boil, and so is our vegetable stock. So we're going to move our vegetable stock off the heat. I'm going to give our rice a little stir, and then we are going to put the lid on, and we're going to go and turn that heat down to about 4. Now that's going to take about 15 minutes to cook, or until all the rice is just about absorbed. So while we have this burner still hot, come back to our sink, and we'll fill our pot up with just about a quarter of the way with water. We're going to sprinkle a little salt in here, and then we're going to take our asparagus and give them a quick rinse. Bring them back, and we want to cut off these tough ends here. So we'll trim them once like this, and then we're going to get them and line them up by their tips. And then we can see they're all uneven here, so then we're going to give them one final cut right down here so that they're all of a uniform length. We'll go ahead and get rid of the ends. You can see our water is starting to heat up, so give that a shake to break up our salt. And then we'll go ahead and add them in. Now, we're going to use this pan again. After we've drained these out, we're going to cook the sauce that's going to coat these asparagus.